Have you ever wondered where your specific country stands regarding AI usage? Well, in this case, there is a new study published by Anthropic, which is called the Anthropic Economic Index, and it tells you exactly how AI is used in various countries and in various domains. And this report, I already opened it, and it started here with the US usage, of course. So first in the United States, and you can see here for each of the states how much AI is used. If you hover over that, you can see whether it's based on part of the leading top group or of the ones which have not used or adapted AI so far. And beside that, of course, you can also go down to the state. Then you have an overview of the US states as well. But let's say you're not living in the US, which could also be the case. Then there's also a global usage. So if you go to global here, the next section, then you can see here a global usage for each country. And you can also, if you hover over one of the countries, you can see, for instance, here where it stands also in comparison and whether it's using AI more than expected or less than expected, right? And you can also see a little, table down there, which also specifies the countries which are the leading countries, which also is Australia here, which is kind of surprising to me at least, Singapore, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and so on. So you can also see those countries here. And this is also related to Claude usage, just to mention that. So if you are interested in your specific country, then there's a next section, which is country usage. And there you can really select each country you're interested in. So your own country or other countries as well. You just need to go there. For instance, I click on the United States as an example here. And then I can see here what's its usage ranked based on all the countries and also the usage index. So basically the expected usage would be 1, right? And you can see that they are, of course, using Claude much more than anticipated in this case. And you can also see for which, task, in this case, Claude is used. You can see business operations, homework, promotional writing, and so on. So you can also see it in a tree map if you would like to here. See it on the right side or as a table in here. And you can also see the most distinctive. So if you go there, you also find here what kind of topics, right? For instance, medical questions, you can see here wellness and fitness, gaming, buying and investing, and so on. So these are the topics which are basically asked most if you interact with Claude. And then there's also a Job Explorer section. So that would be the next one, which is this one, where you can also have another look at which job, so basically, right, which task or which work actually is most affected in different ways and where GenAI is used in that case, right? And you can see that also, of course, if you want to sort by usage, you can also sort by industry if you want to do that. So you can dive into that as well. So that's the official study. If you're interested in that, you can check it out for free. It's available. It's called Anthropic Economic Index. And yeah, I mean, give it a go. Have a look at your country and maybe you find something interesting. So as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up. Please also share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you in the next one. Until then, best guys.